All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bikes sitting here, ready to go out. Hopefully 11 bikes will come back. The Chase van has a spare bike in it. We're in front of the hotel we stayed at last night. It's a beautiful place, very, very nice. And we're going to go out. This is where we try to have fun. Riding in the rain. Actually, the rain has stopped. It might be clearing up. Let us pray, because I'm wearing a full rain suit and I'm oily. I'm hard boiled down. Here we are, stopped. I think we're stopped at the museum. So we're going to go this way.
To the door in the back there.
Okay, cool. Oh, but look at this car.
It's a beautiful car.
Oh my gosh. They're everywhere. You know, you don't go to a park to see them. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. This is gorgeous.
To the door in the back.
Oh, they're everywhere. My goodness gracious, sakes alive. Okay, we're going back there. A lunch break along the interstate. We just pulled in, just parked, and right behind us, this great big bus. So there's about 44 people in that bus, and they got here about 30 seconds after we did, so we got to order in first. I don't know if it's going to work that way, but that's the way it is. That's the Chase van up there, and they've got a spare bike in there. And here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 motorcycles, 11 motorcycles. So this is our lunch break, and it's a nice little side of the road cantina, and both sides. And I'll go over here. This little guy says food right here. Pretty little place. Got 2 patios. See, there's the sign. And here's our group.
Perfect.
Dinner under the stars.
Yeah. Well, he's on the group, so he gets to see everything.
Show him dinner? I didn't look at anything else.
I saw that.
I didn't look at any of the acts or anything.
Junior. And the junior said everybody is a political refugee. And the law changed and said, I cannot come back to my country in 3 years for the law of
Like more than one lobster here.
Yes. Well, the tail is massive.
The royal fish.
Royal fish.
See, Bobby?
Fried fish, the fish over here.
Yeah.
American state.
Boiled.
Cuban descent
Royal fish.
is Diaz Balart.
Excuse
And
me,
these
sir.
people
I've
was
got the
expropriated by
mixed
Fidel.
seafood.
Oh my. 2 makes it.
Mixes? Yeah.
That sounds good. I didn't know they had that. Mixed seafood.
Gracias.
Hey, enjoy. or not?
Oh, yeah.
If you're not try it, please.
No.
It's got some lobster, some shrimp, some fish, and like a tomato-based sauce.
Yeah. There's that pasta.
Crab.
Crab?
Crab.
Hey, Dad. Puede ser el que no
No,
está
we got
aquí.
shrimp.
Spaghetti salmon cheese? Ham and cheese pasta, huh? Thank you.
Cangrejo. Did you get crab?